Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about what if analysis with scenario manager in Microsoft Excel. This is one of the very important topic in Microsoft Excel. So now let us see. To understand this concept, here I have taken one example. See here, car cost, total months and EMI. We observe here, I have purchased a new car and the cost of the car is 3 lakhs. Ah, to pay the 3 lakhs, I'm not paying at a time. So I'm taking uh, time. That means monthly installment have taken time. That means per month I have to pay. Here, for example, I have taken uh, here, for example, I have taken 30 months. Okay, 30 months I have taken the time here. That means I want to pay 3 lakhs 30 months. That means per month how much amount I have to pay. That one we have to calculate. Yes, we can calculate. We can calculate uh, by the formula. And the formula is total car cost by total months. That means the total car cost is in A2. That means is equal to A2 divided by B2. See here B2 and press enter. That means here 10,000 per month I have to pay if I take the 30 months time to pay the 3 lakhs. Okay, I have to pay 10,000 per month for 30 months to pay the 3 lakhs amount. Okay, right. Now suppose here in this example I have taken the time 24 months. For example, how much EMI, that means how much amount per month I have to pay. Suppose I have taken 29 months. How much amount per month I have to pay, we have to calculate. That means in these two scenarios, how much amount I have to pay per month. Okay, so let us see. To open the scenario manager, here we have taken two scenarios. For 24 months, how much amount we have to pay per month. For 29 months, how much amount we have to pay per month. In these two scenarios, let us see the EMI per month. Okay, for this one, click on data tab. See here, click on data tab. You observe here data tab. In this data tab, we have data tools. This data tab, we have data tools. In this data tools group, we have the option what if analysis. What if analysis. We click on that what if analysis, we have three options. The first one is scenario manager, and the second one is goal seek, and the third one is data table. See here. In this video, we will discuss about scenario manager. That means what if analysis with scenario manager. Let us discuss. Here for the two scenarios, that is here I am taking the 24 months one scenario and for 29 months second scenario. For the two scenarios, how much EMI I want to pay the EMI amount per month. Let us see. So click on this one and click on scenario manager. Click on scenario manager. Here we have to click on add. See here. Here we have to click on add. Okay, na? See here. Here see here. Here scenario name is there. In this scenario name, what scenario? First scenario we are taking for 24 months, how much EMI we want. That is the first scenario. That's why here we have to type if in scenario name. Okay, see here, if 24 months, we have to type 24 months. 24 months, how much EMI amount per month we have to calculate. Here by changing cells, here which we are changing, here months we are changing. That means initially here we have 30 months. For that we are changing 24 months. In which cell it is? C2 cell only. Okay. So we have to keep the cursor in. Why? Because we are changing this cell. Okay, keep the cursor here and go for scenario manager, and here click on add. Here we have to give if 24 months by changing which cell? B2. After that click on OK. Click on OK. Here also we have to change 24. For 24, if you want to give another scenario 29 months, click on add. Here the scenario name is if 29. Two scenarios we are taking here, and the changing cells is B2 only. Click on OK. See here also we have to change 29 months. Click on OK. So now you observe here, if 24, this is the first scenario. If you click on show, it will show for 24 months how much EMI, that means per month how much amount we have to pay, it will show. See here, observe here, click on show. See here, for 24 months we have to pay 12,500 per month. And for, if you click on if 29, for this scenario, show. See here, for 29 months, for 3 lakhs total amount, per month we have to pay 10,344.82 paisa we have to pay. Okay. Whatever the scenarios we have taken, two scenarios we have taken. If 24, what happens? If 29, what happens? So I want the summary, scenario summary. Scenario summary. Close this one, click on what if analysis. Click on scenario manager. Okay. Here summary is there. Click on this summary. Already it is selected, scenario summary. Click on OK. You observe here. This is the scenario summary. For 29 months, this amount we have to pay. This is the current month. For 24 months, 12,500. For 29 months, 10,344. And you observe here, this scenario summary is opened in new sheet. That is called a scenario summary sheet. If you want to delete this, means right click on delete. Again click on delete. Okay, right. So in this example, till now I have taken which scenario? Month scenario we have taken. That means for different months, what is the EMI amount? That scenario we have seen. We can also take EMI also scenario. We can also take car cost also scenario. So now let us say EMI as a scenario. Now we will discuss about EMI as a scenario. That means suppose, see here, same car cost, I want to pay 5,000 per month. I want to pay 5,000 per month. How many months I have to pay? This one I have to calculate. For this also we have the formula. Same formula is equal to okay. The total car cost 3 lakhs only, same. Now I want to pay per month 5,000. How many months I want to pay to complete the 3 lakhs? This one we have to calculate. For that one is equal to same A2 by C2. A2 by C2. Enter. 60 months I have to pay. So for this also, if we take different scenarios, you observe here, I delete this one, this is the previous one. Here scenario, here which one we are taking? Scenario, EMI scenario we are taking. That's why scenario manager, here click on add. Suppose here if I want to pay 3,000. How many months I want to pay? So click on OK. Here also you have to give 3,000. Click on OK. If you click on show, see here. For if you want to pay 3,000 per month means how many months you have to pay? 100 months we have to pay. That means we can take the scenario as car cost. We can also take months as a scenario. We can also take EMI as a scenario. This is about scenario manager. What if analysis with scenario manager. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.